Welcome to the bustling world inside a beehive, a perfectly organized society where every bee has a role to play. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phenomenon called the age-based polyethism, the division of labor based on a bee's age. It's like a bee career ladder, with distinct jobs for each stage of a worker bee's life. A newly emerged worker bee's first task is housekeeping. Fresh out of her cell, she starts cleaning, meticulously scrubbing the empty honeycomb cells where she and future generations will develop. This crucial sanitation work prevents the spread of diseases and ensures a healthy hive. It's all in-hive behavior at this point. She hasn't even ventured outside yet. After a few days of cleaning, the young bee transitions into a nurse bee. Now her job is to care for the developing brood, the eggs, larvae, and pupae. She feeds them royal jelly, a protein-rich substance produced by glands in her head. This is another critical in-hive task, ensuring the healthy growth of the next generation of bees. As the nurse bee gets a little older, around 10 to 12 days old, she might take on the role of a food storer. This is still an in-hive task, but it's a bridge to the outside world as she's interacting with the foragers who bring in the resources. Around 18 to 20 days old, some bees become guard bees, patrolling the hive entrance. They're on high alert, ready to defend the colony against intruders like wasps or other bees trying to steal honey. This is the first time they consistently interact with the outside world, though they stay close to the hive entrance. Some bees may also become undertaker bees, responsible for removing dead bees from the hive. This important sanitary task helps prevent the spread of disease within the colony. This again is an in-hive behavior. Finally, around 20 to 25 days old, the bee transitions to the final stage, foraging. Now, she ventures out of the hive to collect nectar, pollen, water, and propolis. This is where the real outside the hive action happens. She navigates the landscape, finds flowers, and carries her loads back to the hive using complex navigational skills. It's important to emphasize the difference between in-hive and foraging behaviors. In-hive tasks are performed within the protected environment of the hive, while foraging exposes bees to various risks like predators, weather, and pesticides. This age-based division of labor optimizes the colony's efficiency and survival. By specializing in different tasks at different ages, the bees ensure that all essential jobs are taken care of, maximizing the colony's overall success. So, the next time you see a bee, remember she's part of a highly organized society with a clear division of labor, a true testament to the wonders of nature.